Meditation is kind of like the OG technology. 2,000 years ago, when forms of meditation were being created and passed down and taught, what it really was a technology to help you query the mind and observe the mind and change your body and physiology. Before there were, Apple Watches to track your heart rate, meditation was a tool that you would use to observe your own self and to be able to see what your heart was doing. Before we had IQ tests, before we had things that allowed us to query our minds, meditation was a tool that allowed you to sit there and observe your mental process and allow you to rewire your own brain and your own body. It is an extraordinary early technology. We have seen the rise and fall of that technology several times. I'm Ariel Garten. I'm the founder of Muse, the brain sensing headband that helps you meditate and sleep. Catch me on the Technologist of the Month podcast.